Okay. Okay, so a curve has equation y equal to x cube plus 8x square plus 5x. You have to work out the coordinate of the turning points. Now you have to work out the coordinates of turning point. We know that at the turning point, your slope will become zero. Slope of tangent will become zero. And the slope of tangent we find out from the differentiation. So what we will do, we will differentiate this equation of curve dy by dx. Okay, so differentiate it. Derivative of x cube is your 3x square plus derivative of 8x square is 8 times derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of 5x is 5. Okay, I hope you understand how we get the derivative here. I use the formula. Suppose you have y is equals to x power n, then it's a derivative dy divided by dx is given as n times x raised to n minus 1. So we use this formula, and we got this answer. Now for turning point, I know that turning point for turning point, this dy by dx is 0. Now dy by dx 0, so it indicate that 3 times x square plus 16 times x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay, now this is a quadratic equation, so I will use the splitting the middle term. So 3 into 5 is 15, so I will split this 16x as 15x plus 1x. So 1x can be written as x only. So this is 3x square plus 15x plus x plus 5. Now from these two terms, I will take 3x common. So if I take 3x common here, I'll get x plus here I get 5. You know that if I'm taking 3x common, so to get the remaining part, what I do, I will divide this 3x square by 3x, and I will divide this 15x by 3x. So I get x plus 5. Now here it is x plus 5 only, so I will say that okay, let us take 1 as common. So here we get x plus 5, and now this result is what? 0. Okay, now here it is x plus 5 in one bracket, and 3x plus 1 in another bracket, and this is equals to 0. So again, from here I will say that x plus 5 0, or I will say that 3x plus 1 0. Okay, this will give me the value of x as minus 5, or I will have the value of 3x as minus 1. So I will say that x is minus 5, or x is minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, now for x as minus 5, I can find out the value of y. So to get the value of y, we will use the equation of the curve, which is x cube. So here it will be minus 5 cube x cube plus 8 times x square, so 8 times minus 5 square plus 5x, so 5 times minus 5. Okay, so minus 5 cube is minus 125 plus 5 5 is 25, 25 8 the it's 200 and minus 25. Okay, if calculator is with you, better you use a calculator. It is minus 125 minus 25 is minus 150 plus 200. I will get answer as 50. Okay, so when x is minus 5, I get y as plus 50. So I have 1 point minus 5 comma 50. So here I have 1 point as minus 5 comma 50. Now for other point, I will say that for x is equals to minus 1 by 3, my y value will be minus 1 by 3 cube plus 8 times minus 1 by 3 square plus 5 times minus 1 divided by 3. So this value, we will calculate this value. Minus 1 by 3 cube is minus 1 divided by 27. Here it is plus 8 divided by 9. And here it is minus 5 divided by 3. So I can make my denominator same. So here it is minus 1 plus here 24 minus here 45 divided by 27. And this I will get as minus 46 plus 24 is what? Minus 22. So minus 22 upon 27. So here the question is find the turning point. So here the next turning point is what? Minus 1 by 3 comma minus 22 divided by 27. Okay. The problem was little lengthy. So here one point I got minus 5 comma 50. The other point I got minus 1 divided by 3 comma minus 22 divided by 27. Okay. Now the second problem. The second problem, if we see, the second problem is second problem over here. Not second problem, I will say the second part of the problem. Determine whether each of the turning point has a maximum or minimum. Give reason. Okay. So for that, let us again see what is dy by dx we have. So dy by dx is 3 times x square plus 8 times x. Let's see. 3 times x square plus 16 times x plus 5 plus 16 times x plus 5. This is my dy by dx. I will calculate what is second derivative. Okay. To understand whether the turning point gives me the maximum value or the minimum value, we check second derivative. So d square y upon dx square, it will give me 6x derivative of 3x square. So 3 times x square derivative is 2x. So it will be 6x plus derivative of 16x is 16. So second derivative is 6x plus 16. Okay. Determine whether each of the turning point has a maximum or minimum value. Now for x is equals to minus 5, this second derivative d square y upon dx square will be 6 times minus 5 plus 16. So 6 5 the minus 30 plus 16. So this is minus 14, which is less than 0. Now if second derivative is less than 0, it indicates that the point is the maximum point. So I will say that, so therefore minus 5 comma 50, this is maximum point. Okay, this is the condition for maximum, is the maximum point. Second derivative will help me to understand whether the point is maximum or minimum. If second derivative is less than 0, it is maximum, and if it is greater than 0, it is the minimum. Now if I see what is the value when x is equals to minus 1 by 3, so I will say that for x is equals to minus 1 by 3, if we check what is second derivative, d square y divided by dx square, so this is 6 times minus 1 by 3 plus 16. 6 times minus 1 by 3 plus 16. So this gives me minus 2 plus 16, and this is plus 14, which is greater than 0. So therefore, the second point, which is minus 1 by 3 comma minus 22 divided by 27, is the minimum point. Is the minimum point, or you can say that is the minimum value. Okay, so we have maximum value and minimum value.